Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to fix iRobot Roomba error 15. So guys, this error means your Roomba is having trouble navigating or communicating with the cloud, usually due to Wi-Fi issues or mapping errors. So first thing that you will do is press and hold the clean button for 20 seconds until Roomba restarts, and just simply release the button and let it reboot completely. Another one is power cycle your home Wi-Fi router. So unplug it for 30 seconds and then plug it back in and then wait a minute, then reconnect the Roomba and this should fix the issue. Another one is move Roomba to a clear area. So place Roomba in an open area away from tight spaces or reflective surfaces and restart a cleaning run, and this should fix the issue. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.